Welcome to our restaurant, sir and ma'am. Here's the menu.
Thank you.
What you want, babes?
I'd like the fried chicken and rice and beans.
What name rice and beans?
Rice with the red brownish something.
Rice and peas, it name. Wait, come here, my father.
Yes, sir.
Which either call rice and peas, rice and beans?
It's the chef.
Where chef there? Where in there?
In the kitchen, sir. I'll take it to him.
He that chef, this year, this fees you. Jamaica, I'm coming from, you know.
Who asked? What you say? Him bright. No, him bright.
It's called rice and beans, sir. Rice and peas.
Rice and beans.
Rice and peas.
Rice and beans.
Rice and peas.
Rice and beans.
You deaf? Okay. Rice and beans.
What you just say?
Rice and peas.